వెల్కమ్ టు ఫ్యాషన్ ట్రెండ్స్. మనమున్నాము లైలాక్ ది డిజైనర్ స్టూడియో హిమాయత్ నగర్లోనిది. ఇక్కడి కాలేజ్ ట్రెండ్స్ ఏంటో ఇవాళ మన ఎపిసోడ్లో చూద్దాము. మరి మనం లైలాక్ ది డిజైనర్ స్టూడియోలో ఉన్నాము శాలిని అగర్వాల్ గారితో. మరి తనతో మాట్లాడదాం. హాయ్ మేడం.
హలో.
ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
Good. Thank you so much.
Yes, madam. I mean, how will you work on this?
So basically, we at Lilac, we design clothes for all kinds of, all people from all societies, even the college-going kids. And the basic idea of Lilac is when you walk into our studio, you can walk in with the idea and walk out with the outfit. Basically, if you have some design coming in from net or some magazine, you can always bring it to me. We can replicate it for you. We also design things as per looking at your personality and whatever budget you're looking at. Like what happens is many times when you walk into designer stores, like you see Lahe, Ujas, many other stores, sometimes it's out of reach. Like, spending like 10,000, 12,000 for a kurti doesn't really make sense.
Yes.
So that is where when you step in and girls, women, whatever age group it is, you can walk in. We actually design, like we take a fresh fabric and you can choose colors from the range, whatever colors you're looking at, pastels, darks, brights, fluorescents, and then we can color it, dye it, and then use this kind of sequins. Various kinds of works are done, thread work is done, block printing is done, and then we cater to your body needs or whatever, however your structure is, silhouettes, and then we design as per your needs. And we also looking at bridal, we also look at semi-bridal, party wear, cocktail dresses, like you must have seen there. We have a variety of things coming up. Then coming to the latest trends in college wear, we also have these kind of digital kurtas, which can be worn universally. Like you can wear it like a one-piece dress in the nights, and during the day you can wear it with a legging or a jeans, like all these kinds of stuff. They look very vibrant, and we really don't have to spend so much. These are the different kinds of digitals we have, and they're all in pure fabrics. Actually, I don't like to I don't really entertain synthetic fabrics. I'm more of a cotton person, more of natural fabrics.
Okay.
You can also do block prints. We also have variety of nets. We have variety of bridal wear, and even like for evening wear, if you're looking at something, we can design something for you.
Okay. All right. So let me start up with this. So what type of cloth is this?
This is a georgette.
Georgette.
We can take net, we can take chiffon,
Okay.
we can take georgette, we can take crepe, any white fabric, which is natural basically, which we can dye it in whatever color you are looking at. Shades of 2, 3, single tones, double tones, whatever you're looking at. And then we also do block print on it. Block prints are like blocks of, with the traditional motifs. So we just dip it into paint and do it. That's a process by itself. And then depending, you add crochet lace, you do asymmetric cuts, whatever, A-line, kalidars,
Okay.
whatever you are looking at, straight cuts.
So
Depends.
these all are the
These are various kinds of materials. These are just a few things. These are like a kind of plastic mirrors. These are also plastic mirrors. These are kardanas. Basically, these are all sewn, like you can see here. Stones, zari, variety of works, and not necessarily you do very heavy. This can be done on evening wear dresses. Looks very pretty. Basically, this kind of sequence goes very well with all kinds of dresses.
Okay.
Yeah, whatever you're looking at. Like we actually depends on the client and depends on the budget. We give that kind of embroidery. But if you're looking at something very delicate, also we can just give you maybe a little line of chain lace or something like that, and give you something a little exclusive. I mean, little away from what is regularly available in the market.
Okay. And what type of kurtis you mostly design?
Basically, our range of kurtis start like 1,000, 1,100 onwards. It goes up to whatever you're looking at. Basically, we always have a stock of about 1,000 to 3,500. Most of the kurtis we have is priced around that range. But if you're looking at little lower range also, we can cater to it. If you're looking at higher also, we can do it.
Okay.
You can actually get in fabrics, and we can also design something like that also for you.
Okay.
Some mom's old saris, we can do that, cut and patch. especially some saris which mamas and dadis or nanis are not wearing. We can cut and do a nice kali dresses. So that's
You also do that. Such
yeah,
type
yeah,
of-
yeah. We are also into revival of old saris. We do like purana kanchi saris, say 40, 50 year old. The saris are giving way,
Yes, yes.
so we cut it and patch it on crepe or silk or tussar.
Okay.
So we revive that way also. These are digital kurtis, which digital prints with dash of embroidery. This can be worn as single piece, just I said you, as one piece dresses as well, and also with leggings or with jeans, straight fit jeans. They look just awesome.
And what?
These are stonework. This is zari work. This is digital print.
This is the
This is the chiffon. This is satin.
satin cloth.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you just wear a shrug over it, just add a brooch, you can just make it into different kinds of outfits. One outfit can be very versatile, basically. This is again a regular trend, very versatile, wash and wear kind of stuff. Uneven kurti, asymmetric cut, basically, and with lot of crochet lace.
Okay.
And this can be worn like with salwar, chudidar, long kurtas, jeans, however, with legging.
And what is this work?
This is crochet lace, lace,
Lace.
which, yeah,
Okay.
lace, and this fabric is satin fabric, printed satin, and the cut is asymmetrical cut.
Okay.
Basically, very trendy with the girls. Sometimes morning, you're just not in the mood of ironing clothes and all. You can just, even if it comes from a wash, you just dry it and you can just wear it.
Yes.
And the colors are so different. With this, you can combine shocking pink or red or black or white, versatile.
Yes, sir. Okay.
This also you can combine with any kind of legging you have, straight fit jeans.
Display.
If you see, the collar has got two laces, two different kinds of laces. So it makes the dress look very dressy. You can just throw in a dupatta also. It makes it look more graceful. Otherwise, on a regular day, you can just wear it with jeans or legging. So it serves.
And this is
Low maintenance, nothing to, no fuss about the fabric, no dry cleaning and all, because these is going for a dry cleaner costs you about 100, 150, so it's a very huge maintenance cost. But all those kurtis are, maintenance free.
okay. How much this would cost, ma'am?
This should be costing about 1700.
1700.
1700. It starts at like 17, 1800 onwards, goes to 2500.
Okay.
We have these. These has got palazzo pants as well. This is linen with work. This can be again worn with this palazzo pants. Pants can be combined with some other dress as well.
Okay.
We try to give little different combinations. This is basically, if you see, it's a brown and peach combination, which is very different. Girls of all complexion can carry basically these colors. Coming to this is again pearl work.
Pearl work.
Yeah, this is again linen. As I said, I'm a little more partial towards natural fabrics, so I tend to use a lot of natural fabric. Yeah, this is again linen. This has got kardana. This has got mother of pearl, stones, everything all rolled into one. A lot of pearl work, if you can see here. These are mother of pearl buttons. These are all beads.
Beads.
Yeah,
Okay.
these are opaque beads.
This one.
The Banjara poth,
Blue
what we
one.
call, yeah.
And
stones.
These are stone work.
These are stones. These are mother of pearls. Mother of pearls. These are beads.
Normal beads.
Beads, yeah. And these are normal beads. If you see, it's done like this.
On the hand, it's
Yeah. It adds a little different finish, because generally what happens is you have a lot of work coming or similar motif coming, so it looks very normal. So we try to give a little different kind of work,
Okay.
so that it looks a little more stylish. Yeah, and it's more comfortable even if you're working or doing something. Also, it's comfortable. Otherwise, if it's too heavy,
Yes.
you feel little heavy on the sleeves. That's the thing. Which can be worn with this kurti, which can be clubbed with any other kurta also, a long kurta, because many times what happens is you get bored wearing the same salwar, same leggings, same churidars. So we try to give you a little kind of palazzo pants, and which is neither like a straight pant nor a very loose pant. It fits as per the body contours. Very versatile, looks very nice. You wear it with this Indo-Western. It actually, the dress It's got elastic, so it fits all kinds of waist. And if any alteration is needed, we can just do it right at the moment. Most important is to look different. Coming to this is again a evening wear, basically pre-bridal kind of stuff. When when you have things in the family coming up for the close family people and all, we suggest this kind of bright colors and all. Looks very nice, especially with traditional jewelry. Yeah, even the brides can wear it with pre-bridal functions and all.
The design is very different.
Yeah, it's a bride by itself. If you can see, all the, we've highlighted all the jewelry parts so that it looks a little more different.
And what is this?
This is stone and this is beaten work again. These are Swarovskis. And the same thing has been done on her necklace, as well her bangles, rings, if you see. It's done very, beautifully, very delicately, so that it's not very hard on the pocket as well, and it adds to the, simplicity of the dress, as well as a little delicate look.
What this cloth is called?
This is crepe.
Crepe.
Yes. Most of the digitals come in natural fabrics, most of them, because they need to be, steamed, painted, hand painted, and then steamed, rolled, and then steamed on a very high temperature. So the colors smudge. So it has to be natural fabric. Otherwise, the digitals don't come out well.
మరిన్ని డిజైనర్ వేర్స్ చూసే ముందు ఒక చిన్న బ్రేక్ తీసుకుందాం.